In this video tutorial, we will see how to print left side triangle pattern. In the first line, there are 6 space characters appended with single star space character. Before this single star space character, there are 6 number of spaces. We have combined the spaces and we have multiplied it with 3. So 2 into 3 becomes 6 appended with single star space character. In the second line, there are 4 space characters appended with 2 star space character. We have combined 2 spaces here, so 2 into 2 becomes 4 spaces appended with 2 star space character. Similarly, in the third line, there are 2 space characters appended with 3 star space character. In the fourth line, there are only 4 star space characters. This is our first half of the pattern. In the second half of the pattern, number of stars are decreasing line by line and the number of spaces are increasing line by line. In the fifth line, there are 2 spaces, 3 star space character. Sixth line, there are 2 into 2, 4 spaces appended with 2 star space character. In the seventh line, there are 6 star space character appended with single star space character. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. We are going to use while loop here, which is starting from I value, which is 0, 0 less than the number of lines. Here there are 7 number of lines, and at the end of iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So we will get I values starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. At the end of 7th iteration, I value will become 7, 7 less than 7, condition is false and our while loop will stop iteration. Let's print our first half. In the first half of the first line, there are 2 space characters combined and there are total number of spaces. There are 6 spaces, so we are going to use here 3. 2 into 3, 6 appended with single star space character one time. In the second line, there are 4 space character, 2 space into 2, 4 space character appended with 2 star space character. In the third line, there are 2 space character appended with 3 star space character. In the fourth line, there is no space and appended with 4 star space character. Let's see code for this pattern. Here we have two space. In the first line we have three space, 3 minus I value. Here number of spaces are decreasing line by line from 3 to 0. If we subtract 3 from I value, then in the first line 3 minus 0, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, and 3 minus 3, which will give us 0. So that value is appended with single star space character one time, and the star space characters are increasing line by line 1, 2, 3, 4. If we take I value here, 1 plus I means 1 plus 0, which is going to give us 1, then 1 plus 1, which is going to give us 2, 1 plus 2, 3, and 1 plus 3, which is going to give us 4. So comment these lines and run py triangle.py file. We can see here we can able to print our first half of the pattern. Now for the second half we need if else condition here. If I value is greater than half of the number of lines, then print the result, else print the first half. Let's see the code. Okay, now let's see the code. Print, we have combined two spaces here. For the second half we need two spaces one time, appended with three star space character, in the sixth line we have 4 space characters and 2 star space character. In the seventh line we have 6 space characters appended with 1 star space character. So let's write logic to execute this second half. Print, first we need 2 space, one time here we need, so we can take I value minus number of lines plus, which is going to give us negative result, I minus 7, which will give negative result here, minus 3 it will give, plus 4 which is going to give us 1, then 2, then 3, that is appended with star space character, which is gradually decreased from 3 to 1. We can take number of lines minus I value 7 minus 4, 3, 7 minus 5, 2, 7 minus 6, which is going to give us 1. comment these lines and run our pytriangle.py file. So this is our expected output. We can use for loop in place of while loop. We can use any other character in place of star, and there are various other methods to execute this code. In the next video tutorial, we will see how to print triangle pattern.